Ayeza Khan belongs to the Pakistani drama industry, but she is not interested in attending showbiz parties. She only celebrates her party with her children and husband. And what is special about her is that she does not invite dozens of Pakistani celebrities even on her happy occasion. 30-year-old actress Ayeza Khan started her showbiz career at the age of only 20 when she was studying. At first, she was not so beautiful, but time made her beautiful. And today everyone is crazy to meet them. Because she is such a simple-minded woman that anyone who meets her once becomes a fan of her. Ayeza Khan had a passion for acting and becoming a bride since childhood. Let us tell you an interesting thing here, that she is the only Pakistani actress who has acted in more than 100 bridal photo shoots. And while she also has the honor of receiving the highest compensation. And yet she looks absolutely young. But in today's article, we will see that Ayeza Khan is not appearing in any brand photo shoot. She is having a memorable photo shoot with her husband Danish Taimoor today. And the couple is so happy that looking at the pictures, one can guess that they both love each other very much. Do you guys like Ayeza Khan and Danish Taimoor in real life? If yes, please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks.